Hello friends, how are you today? So friends, today I will tell you what is the meaning of 3 LED light. What is the meaning? If someone print paper, this light comes blinking, this light blinking, 2 light blinking, 3 lights continuous blinking. So what is the meaning of lights? Maybe sometime you print the paper and this light come blinking and you don't know, okay, what is the meaning of this line blinking. So today I will tell you the main work of 3 lines blinking, continuous, running, on, off. So first of all we discuss about this one line. If light is comes and gone, comes gone, means that your printer is sleep mode. Yes, your printer is sleep mode. Then you press the start button, then light is on, means that your printer is ready to print. So first of all we talk about this one light, this one on, mean printer is ready. Sometime you print the paper and to start photocopy, automatically this LED light comes, means that like this, check, means this lights come, means that paper tray is not properly inserted, means that the paper tray is not completely inserted. Check your paper tray is completely inserted or not. If your paper tray is inserted correctly, means lights gone, means that is tray is okay. Sometime your tray is okay condition, means you check, yes, my tray is okay, then again light is not gone, same blinking, means that your tray is empty paper, means out of paper. You check, if you print the paper, you print the paper by laptop, by mobile, and your paper tray is empty, means that light is indicate your paper tray is empty. So refill the paper and insert slowly, lights gone, means your printer is ready. So if you print the paper and this lights comes, means that two reason. First of all, your tray is not good condition, maybe not insert properly, and second, paper empty, out of paper, या paper not correctly loaded. Next, if this one and this one, two lights blinking, this light, this one and this one blinking simultaneously, means that paper jam. When you print the paper and this light and this light is simultaneously blinking, means that your paper jam in printer. So remove tray from here and check inside, if any paper jam, remove the paper slowly from inside and remove the paper from back side. Here this one push and check here, okay, any paper is jam in your printer. No paper jam, close. Then after push the tray slowly and insert. Okay, means two light blinking at the time of printing, means paper jam in your machine. Next, if this light is same condition but only this one light blinking, not on, blinking, not like that, blinking means comes gones, like this, blinking, means that wrong paper size, the paper size setting does not match the size of paper in the tray. Yes, if you are printing from your computer, make sure your paper size you selected in the printer driver or in the application you use to print machine size of paper in the tray, means you put the paper same size according to support this machine, brother machine. Yes, means if your light is blinking, means your paper is not support your machine. So please check the paper 75 GSM 125 GSM 180 like this. Okay, next, if you print the paper and this LED comes blinking, this last is blinking, means that check ink level. If you print the paper and lights blinking, this one means that your ink level is very low under the line. You can see my ink level is half, 50%, 50%. Yes, means that if your this one light is running blinking, means that if means the lower line under the minimum fill mark, your ink level is very low under the minimum level mark. So please refill the tank and try again. Okay, next, if this light and this light, two lights, this one and this one, simultaneously blinking 3 times, means that your memory, printer memory is full. If this and this light simultaneously continuous blinking 1 2 3 times, means that out of memory, the machine's memory is full. Then after you press the stop button and wait 1 minute to again restart your printer. Okay, then after, if this two line comes like this, only on, not blinking, only on, this and this line, means that your ink level is too high, your ink level is full. So please carefully refill the tank, not like here must be 50%, 80%, 90%, not full. If you refill the full, maybe one time refill only one bottle. If you check, you refill the one bottle and yours here 50%, 60%, so do not need to again second bottles to same, okay, maybe one time 2 bottle refill. No, only one time refill one bottle. After, if you refill 2 bottle one time, then this two light comes, means that your ink box is full. Sometime you print the paper, this and this and this, 3 dots LED light continuous blinking. Yes, together 1 2 3, 3 LED light blinking simultaneously, continuous, means that machine error, machine has a mechanical problem. If you print the paper from laptop, from mobile, Wi-Fi, any way, and 3 dots is coming blinking, means that your machine is mechanical problem. Then after unplug them from board the plug and wait for 1 minute 2 minutes, again restart your machine, then after you use it. Okay friends, so I hope you understand all 3 LED lights, the meaning, what is the use for this. So thank you very much. If you like my video, please subscribe and comments, and if you have any question about this regarding this printer, so you can be contact and my to comments, I will give your answer to your question. Okay, thank you very much.